This is Suman from Blue Feather Impex. I'm the director of the company. I took this Burning Desire course for 2 days. It was like really a next level course where you can understand your business and analyze it in a different way, which we were, I think, like not doing in these years. I would really appreciate the team and their interaction and everything I can tell, and it's like a value. You should definitely take this course. If you want to view your business in a next level, you should definitely take this course, is what I tell. It's like they do it in a very small batches and they concentrate on each and every person. That's what I like with him. Like, you tell one point, he'll definitely highlight, and he was also interacting with all the 25 guys who were there in the hall, and he was also like answering all 25 questions, and he was also like, he would know you very well in these 2 days, what you are and where you stand. Now I know how to build my business, how to achieve my numbers, which we were thinking it was impossible. Now I know like how to achieve these numbers, and kind of highlights like what to do next and what's my roadmap for my next 1,000 days. Definitely I would recommend this program to all my fellow business years and founders and directors and